वेलकम बैक टू बीइंग अमृता शेफ एंड बियॉन्ड। वेल, जब मैं प्रेग्नेंट थी तो मेरी मम्मी मुझे ढेर सारे लड्डू बनाती थी। नाउ आई सीरियसली कांट रिमेंबर द कंटेंट्स ऑफ दैट दोज लड्डूज, बट आई एम श्योर दे वर सुपर हेल्दी क्योंकि आई एम स्टिल स्ट्रॉन्ग, बट एट सम लेवल they were quite fattening also. So I am going to show you a laddu which is very, very healthy but not so fattening. Okay, we are going to make Til Laddu, and it's so easy to make कि trust me, even when you're pregnant and you don't want to really go into the kitchen, this may actually prove therapeutic because 5 minutes में आप बना लेंगे super duper delightfully healthy laddus. तो तिल कितना healthy होता है हम सब जानते हैं, right? Sesame seeds are a great source of calcium, so it's really good for you, especially when you're pregnant. So this recipe is going to make that easy. Okay, so I'm going to lightly toast these seeds because उससे एक अच्छा nutty flavor भी आ जाता है। साथ में है मेरे पास roasted peanuts and I'm going to use amaranth puffs in this. Amaranth यानी कि राजगीरा का जो puff होता है वो मैं इसमें इस्तेमाल करूँगी। अब इसे मैं वापस इस प्लेट में निकाल देती हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए। And now I'm going to melt my jaggery. Now jaggery purifies blood and regulates blood sugar as well. It has great qualities, so I'm using jaggery and no sugar in this recipe. Okay, now I will add a little bit of ghee to this. Okay, I'm going to allow this to completely liquidify. अच्छे से ये पूरी तरह से melt हो जाए. Then I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. अब ये पूरी तरह से melt हो गया है. I'm going to add some Elaichi powder to this. Okay. Now I'm going to add my roasted peanuts, the amaranth puff, and finally my lightly toasted sesame seeds, यानी कि तिल, क्योंकि हम बना रहे हैं तिल के लड्डू, right? Okay. I'm going to mix the entire mixture properly. सब ingredients mix हो गए हैं and that's it. I'm going to now take this out. So when you use water in your hands, it becomes easy to make these laddus because वो जो चटका होता है ना जैगरी का वो नहीं लगता आपको क्योंकि आपके हाथ थोड़े से ठंडे हो जाते हैं. Lovely. Now just make as many laddus as you can out of this entire mixture and enjoy them at any time of the day. So if you like this recipe, do like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond.